Are you guys ready for a nature walk?
Yes. Let's do this.
Alright, I think there's an old car down there, so we're gonna check it out. Hopefully we don't find a body.
Yeah, let's look.
It's like a hood or something there. It's like grown into the trees, like growing around it. Washer and dryer or something down there. I just gotta figure out how to actually get down there. Okay, Brittany, go ahead down there and just tell us if it's safe.
No.
We can do it.
Probably the carburetor, the breather.
Fucking tripping over the fence that's like laying on the ground. Holding your water. Oh fuck. Okay, I'm stuck on the fence. Fuck's sakes. Help me. Help me.
Let's go. You're still in it.
Oh fuck. There we go. I got out. Well, one leg. Oh, fuck's sakes.
Oh, this is nuts.
There's a hole behind me. Don't fall. That's still fucking steep. Holy fuck.
Now I'll film you in case you fall. It'll be funny.
Okay, really?
What?
That's such a big drop.
Take this. I'll go on my ears.
Alright. Did you die?
No. Good plan here.
Yeah.
Oh.
No.
Fuck.
Definitely gone.
I will retrieve it.
In the water.
It's fine. Oh. Oh. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck.
You need to stop.
Here, hold the camera. I'll go get the water bottle. Oh.
It's so much steeper than you know.
Go Brittany. It's fun.
There's no way.
Come on.
Yep.
Is it bad that as I'm recording, I'm like hugging a tree to stay alive?
I got my water back. It's pretty disgusting though.
Yes.
Oh, fuck off.
Fuck, where'd mine go?
Right in front of
Is it? Like there?
you. Right here.
It looks good, eh?
Oh, that's fine.
Fuck.
It's like poop water.
Is there like a safer way to get down?
Oh, we're pretty safe.
We did it pretty safe.
Oh, okay.
Like if we missed a tree, we'd probably crash and like break our neck, but
Okay, well, catch the water bottle.
I could try.
This is friggin' nuts, Eric. Why the hell would you want to do this?
Cameras don't show angle too well.
Yeah, well,
They show it's not steep at all.
not steep at all, guys. Not steep at all.
It's good. 60% grade.
That was a dead tree.
Oh, did you die?
That was a mistake.
Are you stuck? Do you need help this way?
What?
Do you want like me to pull you this way? That's gonna break. You've made it to the bottom of the summit. Wait, we're going the wrong way.
Where's my water bottle?
There you go. What's up here? I'll get them.
It's still recording?
Yeah. You want your water bottle, Eric?
Yeah.
It's over there.
Do it. So let's go until my battery dies. What the fuck is this? Ow, fucking bugs.
I know, the bugs are really bad.
Alright. Oh fuck.
Ooh, it might be.
What is over there? That's what I want to see.
Yeah,
We're adventurous. Oh fuck.
oh god, that's gross.
Oh fuck. Don't fall because it'll be on camera. You have 3 minutes until we're switching to the Jordans. Fuck. Ow.
I'm getting bit everywhere.
Yeah, it's gonna happen. Just let it happen.
Look at all the stones like this. Yeah. Like, what the hell is that? Like, what are those big stones? Stone things?
I don't know.
Oh god.
And Brittany's down.
I'm down, I'm down.
Ow. I'm getting fucking bit like crazy.
I'm stuck underneath the rock. That's the problem.
I feel like I'm in Nam.
Yeah, it's some, I don't know. It's another one behind you.
Take a video inside of it. Look at that.
Heating or cooling tanks or something?
The cool thing is there looks like there's a car over there that we have to get to.
Where?
I don't know how to get over there.
Straight down through there.
Yeah.
There's bullet holes in that
Come
can.
over to the car. It's like a fucking dump site or something.
Yeah. Got a stove.
I like Stand By Me almost. I'm like, are we gonna find the body?
Battle wounds. It's deer flies are what's biting. Lots of deer flies. Holy fuck. Oh, bitch.
I found a fucking car.
Upside down car.
It's an upside down car. It's definitely an old car.
Yeah. Rip the steering wheel off, you'll have a souvenir. Oh shit, look at this. This is one of those old-fashioned washers. Yeah. From like the 60s. Or earlier. Those ones with the motor under them, the gas engine and shit. Wonder if the motor's in it. It is too. It's under there. The gas tank's still in this car. Looks good too, it's painted. Is that?
Somebody lost their plate.
Yeah.
And then
Nah, it's too screwed up. The whole arson still in it though.
somebody must have just fucking dumped it off here like years ago.
Yeah. That's where it came from.
It's pretty fucking cool though.
Yeah.
Definitely should wear pants when you come down here.
Or shoes. Or anything. Be cool to be over there and look straight up. Jesus. What's your plan of attack here? It's gonna get scary. That tree could break. It's dead.
I'm going. Just going to come over here. Go look through the window.
Here's a cool cap. Yeah? Hubcap. It's kind of.
Put the camera through the window over on that side.
Oh.
Hi.
Hi.
Weird things you find in your own backyard.
Yeah.
It looks like a bullhorn.
Probably. There are exit holes over here. If those ones look like they're pushed in, then makes sense.
Fucking door open.
Yeah. Oh, fuck.
Pretty cool.
Yeah. Been here for years.
If anyone needs a car, just have to get from up there.
Yeah. That's pretty terrifying. Oh, what is that?
You're almost there.
Which one's yours? I didn't want to litter, so I went back for the...